So you want to raise your NAD levels. You've heard about these supplements called NMN and nicotinamide riboside. NMN is nicotinamide mononucleotide. They're very, very popular supplements for raising cellular NAD levels. And there's various studies on these supplements showing that they'll increase NAD levels in skeletal muscle and blood cells. Although I would point out that we still don't know if these supplements raise NAD levels throughout the body, but we'll stick a pin in that for another time. But I want to point something out to you. If you go looking for dietary supplements to raise NAD, you are going to come across supplements that contain NAD as their primary ingredient. Yeah, there are supplements that contain nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. I don't think that's a great way to go to increase NAD levels. It makes sense. If I want to increase NAD, why don't I just take NAD? Doesn't work like that. Here's why. While we can absorb NMN and NR, and they've been shown to raise NAD levels in different cells, we can't absorb NAD. So if you're going to buy a supplement and it contains NAD, you're kind of wasting your money because you're not going to absorb it into your cells. And I'm not endorsing, by the way, NMN or nicotinamide riboside because I've done various videos on them, and I don't think the research pans them out to be the panacea that some people are making them out to be. However, the very best way to raise NAD levels all over the body is to exercise.